Hi dear Virgo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 12th till the 18th of August for those who are in complete no contact or no communication and wants to know what's going on the other side. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my master class. Again, uh, it's a pre-recorded 1 hour master class and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that. It's super powerful. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Virgo, the person that you're in no contact with or no communication with, their current feelings for you right now. Let's see. We have the Three of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Seven of Wands. Bottom of the deck is a Page of Pentacles. This person feels like the situation, this connection, this reconciliation, this coming together, coming back together is not possible in this lifetime. They are strongly resisting this urge to connect or reconnect with you because they feel keeping you blocked or keeping the situation blocked is the right thing to do, or they're feeling blocked by you. So it's like two situations I'm getting. This person tried to connect with you, to reconnect with you. They tried their best and now they're feeling like okay, they can't do anything about it, so they're giving up on this situation and they're accepting the situation for what it is. Second is, this person is feeling even if they are going to do anything in the situation, or even if you are going to do anything in the situation, this situation is never going to be the same again in this lifetime. So it's better to stay friends only, or it's better to stay like two mature adults, like okay, we know each other, we know we exist on this planet earth, but we can't do anything about it. We are just two people existing in this universe peacefully. So as of now, their feelings are of keeping this situation blocked, or feeling like the situation is blocked and there's nothing that they can do about the situation, or to change the situation. There's nothing that they can do about it. Feeling helpless and in some way empowered as well. I don't know how. I'm getting the sense of they are feeling empowered to do something for themselves, creating their own life, creating their own future. Wow. Let's see what are their intentions, what this person wants from you, what are the intentions for the situation between you and them. Virgo, we have the Tower, the Ten of Cups, the Hierophant. The bottom of the deck is the Hermit. This person wants to have a commitment on the table. I don't know if this is with you or in your general sense. I think this person is realizing there's a major realization out of the blue. This person is understanding that friends with benefits, or just for fun, or just casual dating, or just having a connection for the time being is not going to work out for them anymore. Either they want it all with you or they want nothing at all. And I think in a general form, this person is hitting some kind of realization here, like with whomsoever they are going to connect, whether it's you or with somebody else, they want it all, or they want nothing at all. It's with you as well and it's with others as well. So this person is having a major realizations that just for fun, or friends with benefits, or just having a like a friendship kind of deal with people is not going to work out for them anymore. So their intention is to wait for the right person, wait for the right energy, or they want you to simply commit to them in some way, shape or form, so that they can move forward. And if you're not ready to give it to them, they don't care about you anymore. They are like, oh, you are dead to me. If they were asking for commitment and you were not able to give it to them, they are still stuck on that energy. If not, they are waiting for that person or that energy that they can have a full-fledged relationship with, commitment with, a long-term partnership with. This is their intention. It's all or nothing. Okay, let's see what action is this person going to take towards you, if any, by the 18th of August. Virgo, oh my god, we have the Nine of Wands, Three of Swords, a Fool card. Bottom of the deck is a Four of Cups. This person is moving on, Virgo. They are too hurt. They are too wounded to take any kind of action in this direction. So they are breaking free from the situation. I don't know if they hurt you or they they themselves are hurt because of whatever happened, but right now they're showing me my guards are up, my heart is broken, I am moving on from the situation, I am breaking from the situation, I don't need it anymore, I don't want it anymore, this is done from my side. So from their side they're telling me this is gone, this is done. They're too much in pain to do anything about it, they can't even fix it, they can't even repair it anymore, it's damaged, it's completely damaged. My goodness. In the background, they are, this person is very disturbed, right? This person is very disturbed, they are trying to connect with other people, other energies, but they're not able to do that because they're still stuck on this pain because of this situation. But at the same time, even if they're lost and confused, they got this clarity about the situation that this between you and them is done and gone, and they're moving on to the next chapter of their life without you, as of now, without you, breaking free from the situation. Okay. Too hurt, too much in pain, too much in this energy of I don't care about Virgo anymore, or I don't care about this situation anymore. I gave them my all. Now I can't do anything about it. It's beyond my control. Okay. Let's see the guidance, universal guidance for you guys for the situation, Virgo. Devil, Virgo, if you are stuck in any kind of third party kind of energies, if you are stuck in addictions, or if you are stuck in sexual obsessions, or whatever addictions or sexual obsessions or third parties or toxic or negative cycles or patterns you are going through, break the chain as soon as possible, because you are harming and hurting yourself only. Nobody else is getting harmed or hurt here. Okay. If you are not doing anything like that, but if you are feeling like, okay, to get over this pain, let's do something stupid, let's do rebounds, let's have fun only, then you are, then also you are going to hurt and harm yourself only. Okay. Just take this time to heal yourself, to take care of yourself, to open up your heart in possible, in beautiful ways, and try to find love in a universal way, in a universal way, not in a romantic way. As of now, take care of yourself. Okay. Don't jump into rebounds or connections or relationships just for the sake of trying to get over a situation. It's going to again create a disaster for you. Okay, so yeah, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.